Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use jump cables. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Make sure both vehicles are completely off and in park or neutral. It's a good idea to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your eyes and hands. Also, take a moment to inspect your jump cables for any damage or fraying. Keeping metal objects away from the battery terminals is crucial to prevent short circuits. Now, let's connect the positive cables. Take one red clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of the dead battery. This terminal is typically larger and clearly marked with a plus sign. Next, take the other red clamp and connect it to the positive terminal of the good battery. Ensure both connections are firm and stable to allow for proper current flow. For the negative connections, take one black clamp and attach it to the negative terminal of the good battery. This terminal is usually marked with a minus sign. Now, for the crucial step, connect the other black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on the engine block of the dead vehicle. This creates a ground connection and helps prevent sparks near the battery, which can be dangerous. Do not connect it directly to the dead battery's negative terminal. Once all cables are connected, start the engine of the good vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. This allows the dead battery to receive some charge. Then, try to start the dead vehicle. If it doesn't start immediately, wait a few more minutes and try again. Once the dead vehicle starts, disconnect the cables in the exact reverse order: black from the dead vehicle, black from the good battery, red from the good battery, and finally, red from the dead battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.